Hello, my name is Shaywin Witter, and this is my submission for MTR1201's Control Module, the final module of the Millie's Flying Fish project. So in this module, we are first off going to run test number 1, which you can already see here. We're going to set it to its 0.90 degrees, and after 2 seconds, it's going to go negative 10 degrees from that, which is 80 degrees. And so, yeah, let's just get that running. So if we kind of align it here, it should go to 90. There's 90. Then it should go to 80 after 2 seconds. There we go. And now it should go to 105 for the next test. Not quite 105. There we go. All right. And now for test 2. It will get some data here. It's not really important. But what we are looking at, it's moved itself, but what we are looking at is it's pointing 105 degrees, which, let's say that's north. It is pointing north. Now, we want it to keep pointing north. It's going to do just that. It is going to remain pointing in that direction. Looks like I'm tilting it a little bit too much. And it's kind of getting a little confused. And we got some drift. But other than that, it looks like it can keep its bearings fairly well. Or not, we've gone about 30 degrees away from the mark, but that is to be expected from a cheap IMU and a cheap motor. If I do this, we'll probably be quite a bit further off the mark. It's just what happens. But yeah, I do actually want to run this again just to show what it looks like, because I honestly think that this is the coolest part of the whole assignment. And it's just really satisfying having it correct itself to north. It isn't really north, but it updates every 50 milliseconds here. So it's got a pretty good, it's fairly stable, which is very good. It's not too sporadic, and that's due to, well, like that. It doesn't do that very often unless I'm holding it, because my hands are a bit shaky. But that is because of a lot of smoothing in my code, complementary filter, and some data cutoff. And some of that data cutoff does attribute for the confusion that it likes to portray. I'll just show you here that this is that data cutoff. In between -2 and 2, it will cut off the rotation data for Y, which certainly limits it, but trust me, it makes it so much smoother, and drift is not as much of a problem. Alrighty, so that is my submission for the control module, and that's my Millie's Flying Fish. Thank you for watching.